So in this video we're gonna discuss about the Realme GT 8 Pro mobile's features. Starting with the display, this mobile is going to come with a 6.79 inches of 144 Hz refresh rate, LTPO AMOLED HDR10 Plus supported Dolby Vision supported display, protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which is the second generation of the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus mobile glass. When we talk about this mobile, it is a flagship level mobile. That means this mobile is going to come with the power-packed performance processor, that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which is the fastest processor till now in any mobile, and it is an octa-core 300 based processor. By the way, this mobile is also going to come in with 20 plus 5G bands in India. When we talk about this mobile's availability, this mobile will be available in different storage variants like 12GB RAM. It is going to start from the 12GB RAM variant, 12GB RAM 256GB and 12GB RAM 512 and 16GB of RAM and 512, 16GB of RAM and 1TB internal storage variants. Now these are going to be UFS 4.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM types. So combining with Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 UFS 4.1 storage capacity along with the LPDDR5X RAM types, we could expect a killer performance from this mobile like the iQOO 15. So when we talk about this mobile's camera, this mobile is going to come with the triple rear cameras at the back side. This mobile is going to come with a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with f1.5 aperture, and it is going to support optical image stabilization. And also this mobile comes with the 200 megapixels of telephoto periscopic zoom camera which supports f2.8 aperture, and it is also going to come with a third camera that is also a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera with f2.0 aperture. So with these apertures of cameras, we could expect so with these cameras we could let the more light into the sensor so we can capture great pictures. And this mobile supports 8K 30fps shooting. For the front, it comes with a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera, and it is a 4K 60fps supported camera. When we talk about this mobile's battery, this mobile is going to come with a 7000 mAh of huge battery, and it is going to support 120 watts of fast charge through wire and 50 watts of wireless charge. So unfortunately there is no reverse wireless charge, but yeah, fortunately it has a wireless charge at least. When we talk about this mobile's connectivity, this mobile is going to come with a Wi-Fi 7 tri-band support, Bluetooth 6.0 NFC features. When we talk about this mobile's protection, like this mobile comes with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner Gen 2, and this mobile is also going to come with the IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistant certifications. So this mobile is going to be a complete metal and glass build. So when we talk about the operating system, this mobile is going to come with the Android version 16 out of the box with the Realme UI latest version till that time. When we talk about this mobile's other features, like it comes with the stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack, unfortunately, like all the mobiles. And when we talk about this mobile's other features, like this mobile comes with in different colors. Those are blue, white and the grayish color variants. I will leave the link to buy this mobile in the description box down below with other videos links of my channel, so you can directly go and purchase from there, and you can also watch the other videos from my channel. So this mobile, with this mobile we can expect a great performance from the the processor and the RAM types. When we talk about this mobile's box contents, yeah, these are the also important things, that this mobile is going to come with a mobile itself, a charger, cable and a TPU case and SIM ejector tool and quick start guides and stuff like that in the box of this mobile, included with the box itself, mobile itself. So when we talk about the price, yeah, this is also important thing, right? Now this mobile is going to come with a price tag of like 62 to 67,000 rupees, in between that price bracket according to the news till now. So obviously these are the features of this mobile. If you like this video, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button so